YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Bangalore and I came back to Bangalore after around 3 months, and today we have with us the xpulse. I will be riding this bike and I will be sharing my opinion which I got from this bike. I will be asking the opinion of the owner. That will be a kind of a owner review. So let's not waste the time, let's get started. So you guys just saw the video of me riding this bike. Now I'll just call my friend who is the owner of this bike. This is my friend Anand. Hi bro. Hi man. So he's the owner of this bike. So let's ask him how he feel about this bike. So let's ask his opinions on this bike and pros and cons of this bike. So let's get started. Can you please explain what is your riding background or something?
This is the first bike I have owned, and I have a pretty good feeling about this one because it matches my height. First of all, the seat height is 823, and the ground clearance is really good, and the suspension is top notch. Okay, I haven't ridden any other bikes, but all the basics comparatively, this is the best bike for every beginner who wants a dual sport bike. This is the one I will ride.
So which you think is it's the best for a beginner?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. How do you feel about the pickup in the city and in the highways?
For me, it's okay. For the engine it has got, it's really good. Okay. But the main thing is on highway it will lag a little bit. In the city, this is the best bike. Okay, in maneuvering in traffic and braking and everything, this is the best bike because it has a really lightweight 157 kgs. That will be very useful in maneuverability and braking.
Yeah, I really agree on that point. And, another thing which I want to share is, as I told, this is best for beginner, but you are coming up from a 150 segment or a 200 segment bike. This is not for you, which I feel, because it lags somewhere in the city while you are overtaking some vehicle, or in those kind of situation it will lag. So if you are coming up from 150cc 200cc bike to this bike, you will not get that feel, but still if you would love to do trails and all those things, this is the best bike, man. You know, it soaks up all the bumps easily in the city, and it's really good. And bro, what do you think about mileage of this bike?
Yeah, for me, I have checked the mileage. It gives more than 35 in city.
Okay.
And I haven't ridden it on the highways, so I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
But the Hero has promised about 40.
Okay.
But I'm not sure about it because it doesn't catch up that so quickly, and you have to rev it along. Okay. To keep it in 3 digits, you have to rev it long, so that will be where the fuel consumption will be more.
Yes.
So I think for highway I won't recommend this bike. Okay. But for me, okay, this is manageable. Okay.
And even the seat, if you do long tourings, how you feel about the seat?
For me, it's because the Hero has provided very smooth seats. Okay. This is not a custom made. This is the stock seat, and they have also launched a couple of options for adventures and for tourers also.
Okay.
So
they have an option for touring seat.
Yeah, sure. The seat is really comfortable, and another thing, I have installed the handlebar razor, which gives a really good ergonomics for a rider. And another thing, in this the footrests are really in the sweet spot, so it sits very comfortably. And for the long ride, that is what we should look in a bike. And another thing, even though compared to the big bikes, this will handle very good in cities. Only in traffic, I am telling only about the traffic. And for the long ride, I wouldn't recommend it. But for a quick ride about 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, it will do very fine.
Okay. So bro, can you tell me one thing? It's been how many days since you bought this bike, and how much kilometer you put on this bike?
It's been almost 2 months now.
Okay.
I've crossed around 1,300 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah. This in highways and in cities, mostly in cities. So that will be really, that has been really comfortable for me, the city ride.
Okay. The city ride, it's really comfortable. Okay. And one more last thing, can you tell to my viewers that what all came in stock and what all things which you installed on this bike, and the difference between BS4 and BS6, which all components you will get swapped and all those things.
Comparatively to the BS4, in the BS4 this one will be of fiber or plastic, something like that.
Okay.
This is steel.
Okay.
This is 2.5 mm steel plate. And another thing, they have added the oil cooler. Okay, and the engine output is lower. Okay, horsepower and torque wise, it's slower than BS4, but the engine refinement is good. Okay, they have refined the engine, and the clutch is really smooth. Okay, and for the accessories, I haven't paid any extra as they take for the mandatory accessories. I only paid for side stand and sari guard and mirrors. Okay, rest of all it comes with a vehicle only, even with all these small guards for our engine guard for our leg, and another side for the brake assembly and all everything. And the guards are from the stock only.
Okay, and even the foot pegs are removable, right? This rubber padding can be removed.
Can be removed. So while we go for off-road,
better grip.
we will get better grip on that.
One more thing which I didn't like on this bike is these knuckle guards. They are of plastic. There is no metal used in this. So I really wanted to see some metal in this. Okay, thanks bro. Thanks for giving the bike for a ride, and thanks for explaining everything to my viewers.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please share, like and subscribe.